Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 29th of July. I'm James Spann. The weather looking pretty wet for the rest of the week with occasional showers and thunderstorms. And eyes are on potential tropical cyclone 9. Could that possibly reach the extreme eastern Gulf of Mexico late this weekend? Let's talk about everything. Here we go. Upper air look. Still got the ridge in place. That's almost a permanent feature in summer, but it's weaker. It's been beat down a bit, and the air aloft is colder and more unstable, so we're looking for a number of showers and storms around today and tomorrow, probably Friday as well. That was the radar this morning. Light rain beginning to form over North Alabama. Got a cluster of thunderstorms near the Gulf Coast. But again, we're expecting to see a pretty wet day today. We're in the 70s early this morning. Highs only in the 80s today. In fact, low to mid 80s, almost 10 degrees below average for late July. There's the watch warning map, flash flood watches for parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas. And out west, we've got some heat issues out there, some excessive heat warnings where they've got a ridge in place. Severe weather outlook today and tonight, a marginal risk over parts of the high plains, also parts of the far eastern Great Lakes. Tomorrow, we note parts of the deep south with a marginal risk, including about the northern quarter of Alabama for places like Huntsville, the Shoals, Cullman, Gadsden. Some of the storms there tomorrow could produce strong gusty winds, but this is a very low-end threat. Then on day 3, which is Friday, a marginal risk west of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Note the swath of heavier rain up the South Atlantic coast. That's with the tropical system, Isaias, we'll talk about here in just a second. For Alabama, the heavier totals for the northern half of the state, 1 to 2 inches, and this is average. You know, some folks yesterday had over 4 inches in just one afternoon. And here's a look at our potential tropical cyclone, number 9. Looking more and more like a tropical storm. And again, the name will be Isaias. Here's the track from the National Hurricane Center, and they bring it a little south of Puerto Rico. This thing has been adjusted to the south and west. And remember, as you look at all of this, we don't have a well-defined low-level center yet. And once we get that, and once we get better upper air data, confidence in this will be higher. But this is the idea. It comes right on top of Hispaniola, and that is a very mountainous island tomorrow. And that often tears these things up, and it takes a long time to recover, if they recover at all. But the Hurricane Center maintains its identity and brings it up to a point north of Tampa Bay late Sunday night as a tropical storm. And I think that's the right course here. This is not in a position to strengthen to a hurricane, most likely. In fact, on top of the interaction with land, there's some shear over Cuba and South Florida to deal with as well. So most likely this will be a rainmaker for the Florida Peninsula, not the Panhandle, the Peninsula, late this weekend. This is modeling. And again, you can see there's been a shift a little to the south and west, and that's the reason the Hurricane Center is shifted. And the thing comes right up the Florida Peninsula late this weekend, and then begins to recurve. This is the GFS ensemble. Curiously, it's kind of an outlier to the east. This is the European ensemble, and really some of the members just dissipate this thing over Hispaniola, but the ones that do identify it show the recurve either over the eastern Gulf, the Florida Peninsula, or out in the Atlantic. So we'll be much more confident in the track within 24 hours or so once we get the center identified here. But one way or the other, it looks like Alabama's going to be on the dry side, the west side. And that would be the case for places like Panama City and Gulf Shores and Destin. And the intensity guidance, and again, you can see most models just keep it as a tropical storm out through 5 days. And I think that's probably correct. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06C run, 4 o'clock today. troughing to the north and again kind of beating down the ridge, and a number of showers and storms around today. Highs, I'd say 83 to 86. Same thing tomorrow, highs in the 80s, mostly cloudy with occasional showers, maybe a strong storm over the Tennessee Valley. This is Friday, the better chance of showers and storms, most likely for the northern half of the state, highs upper 80s. And then for the weekend, showers probably thinning out a bit. They'll still be around. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. We'll mention scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms, typical for this time of the year. And highs, I'd say, for the weekend, 87 to 90, with a mix of sun and clouds both days. And next week, the weather trends drier. This is Monday and Tuesday. Partly sunny with widely scattered storms, highs around 90. And then a week from today, Wednesday the 5th, evidence of a weak trough just a little to the west, and again, scattered storms about. But no sign of any really runaway heat. By that, we mean upper 90s or higher, highs close to 90. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 7th of August. Heights coming up a little bit, and again, that looks very typical. Partly sunny, hot, humid, a few spots getting a storm. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 3 inches, some of the members over 5 inches through mid-August. Highs upper 80s and low 90s. Again, we'll take that. We all know we can be in the frying pan this time of the year. And the CPC outlook, August 5th through August 11th, suggesting temperatures here at or a bit below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.